Hello and welcome back to Solid Print 3D with me, Ben Keyser. We specialise here in rapid production, so we thought we'd give you today a rapid video, a very quick tour of our showroom. Let's head to the first room. So this is our Wazer room. The Wazer is a desktop water jet cutter and will cut through pretty much about anything you throw at it. Moving on, we have the next room here, which is our Fuse room. This is a Formlabs SLS 3D printer system, and SLS basically uses a powder, which means you don't have to have any supports needed, so you can get really high quality, high precision parts there that are really robust as well. Moving on to the main showroom, however, we do have more Formlabs printers. These are the Forms 3s and 3Ls. These use a resin and a UV light to cure that resin. The resins are available in so many different properties, so anything for application is going to be perfect. On Mark Forge machines, these are really cool machines. These have got a nylon and carbon fiber composite material to start off with, but also you can inlay different types of fibers in there. So we've got fiberglass, Kevlar and carbon fiber too. Moving on, we do have our Ultimakers. These are a really nice FDM machine, and what's particularly great is they've just released their new metal range of filaments and printing accessories, so we can now print in metal. The BCN is a really nice machine. It's got an IDEX extrusion system, which basically means you can print twice the amount of material on the same build platform. And the Raise 3D has now just released its new FFF Hyperspeed, which means you can print basically 4 times faster than any other machine out there as well. We do have our laser engraver, the Flux Hexa, and of course our Pocket NC, which is a desktop 5-axis CNC milling machine too. If you want a bit more accuracy and detail, we can talk about also the 3D Systems MJP and also the Figure 4. And of course, we do have our handheld 3D scanner, the Peel 3D as well. So if you want any more information about any of these, or indeed want any samples, or if you'd like a showroom tour yourself, virtually or in person, we would welcome you with open arms. So please do let us know by either heading to our website or giving us a call on 01926 333 777. We so look forward to hearing from you soon.